Chemwatch is flying high with the support of the world's two major aircraft builders and the world's premier space agencies, as well as many long-term system subscribers. In addition, several of the major industry chemical suppliers have partnered with Chemwatch to ensure their SDS collections are current and that their clients and ours remain legally compliant. Because of our high profile in the aerospace industry, we are confident that we already maintain over 80% of the SDS found in your system inventories. Chemwatch currently maintains a central database in excess of 150 million SDS. SDS maintenance involves visiting each supplier's online database to identify new or updated documents at least 3 times per year. Each document is evaluated for accuracy against GHS declarations. The same SDS may cite different compositions in different countries. We also provide a roll-up service to consolidate all substances mentioned. All other key data is extracted from each document. As a result, the system creates a bill of materials specific to your organization, each stored in an ISO cybersecure environment on one of our 4 regional servers. All data can also be linked with your third-party providers, such as SAP and Enablon, through robust API links. Each item in your bill of materials is checked against our central database of 10,000 regulatory lists to ensure that restricted or controlled substances do not enter your supply chain. The requirements for IPC 172 and IPC 54, along with IPC declarations, are fully supported. Our bill of materials health check alerts you immediately to any pending issues. Rather than floating around aimlessly while managing your chemical inventories, Chemwatch provides full regulatory support to ensure the safety of your employees and personnel exposed to your products. We are protecting your workers, as all employees have access to our emergency response services 24 hours a day and in 49 languages. As the initial actor in the supply chain, our logistics solution, 4PL, ensures that your consignments do not need to be repacked or relabeled in transit by air, water, or land, or through multiple warehouses using our proprietary pack, ship, forget solution. We also ensure all SDS are delivered to poison centers in Europe, China, and Australia. Because certain items or products may need to enter the waste stream, we ensure there are no restrictions on doing so in your jurisdiction. There are at least 8 stumbling blocks that may compromise product compliance. We identify these in a single report provided to you or your suppliers within 48 hours. We ensure that suitable checks are in place throughout the entire life cycle, from point of purchase to final disposal of the product. Chemwatch have their feet firmly on the ground, ensuring that you are never stranded in space. Scan the QR code and know more about Chemwatch.